Hello, beautiful butterflies. I'm out on a brisk evening walk in my beautiful city, and I came across this building, and it's so nice. I don't even know what it is, if it's offices or apartments or what. But that wrought iron on the windows is amazing. But this is what I really wanted to show y'all. This lovely mural. This lovely mural I'm going to call Bird Against Sun at Night. Oh, how about Bird with Sun at Night? Bird with Sun at Night. Uh-oh, here comes a car. Let me get out of the street. Bird with Sun at Night. That's it. It's a lovely urban landscape. Bird with Sun at Night. Peace.